Hello, in this video we're going to carry out a what's in my tray activity. You can see here that we've got my Gratnells tray, and if I open it up, inside I have some Brightsparks for Kids resources and components. We're going to carry out an investigation to see if our sample materials are good conductors or good insulators. So to carry out this investigation, we have two cell and cell holders, one bulb and bulb holder, a buzzer, we have two croc clips, we have 6 leads, and then my sample materials I'm going to use for this investigation. I'm going to use a plastic straw, a wooden toothpick, a coin, a metal screw, a piece of aluminium foil, a piece of thick card, an elastic band, a piece of string, and I've got 2 paper clips. We're going to test our different material samples in an electrical circuit. So let's take out our tray insert, and in our tray let's start to make our test circuit. So we're going to use 2 cell and cell holders. We're going to wire these in series. So I'm going to take a lead and I'm going to put one plug into the black negative terminal of our first cell holder here. Then I'm going to connect a lead from the red positive terminal of our first cell holder to the black negative terminal of our second cell holder. And then one more lead and put that into the red positive terminal of our second cell here. So now we're ready to introduce other components to our circuit. We're going to use a bulb to indicate that our circuit is complete. If we introduce a material sample and it's a good conductor, then potentially our bulb should light up. So I'm going to connect our lead from our red positive terminal on our battery here to a terminal in our bulb holder. Then I'm going to connect a lead to the second terminal of our bulb holder. Now our circuit is nearly complete. I'm going to put some croc clips on the end of our lead here, and one more on this plug. So at the moment our circuit still isn't complete. We have a gap, but I can test that our circuit works if I touch our 2 croc clips together. So hopefully you can see that the bulb lights up. So now we can introduce one by one our different materials to see if they are conductors or insulators. So first of all, I'm going to try the straw. So we put our plastic straw into our circuit and you can see that our bulb does not light up. So we could say for this circuit that our plastic straw is a good insulator. Next I'll try the wooden toothpick. We clip our toothpick in between our croc clips, and again you can see that our bulb does not light up. So that would mean that our toothpick is a good insulator at this circuit. Next, I'm going to use a coin. I've got a 2p coin here. So I clip our 2p into our circuit. Now, hopefully you can see that our bulb does light up. So our 2p pence piece is a good conductor. We have a metal screw, so I connect that to our circuit, and again you can see that our bulb lights up. So our metal screw is a good conductor. I've got 2 paper clips, so I'm going to try one. This is the first paper clip we'll try. And you can see that our bulb lights up. So our paper clip, or this paper clip, is a good conductor. If I try this paper clip, you can see that the bulb doesn't light up. And can you tell me what you think is the reason that this paper clip doesn't allow the bulb to light? Now we've got our elastic band. You can see that our bulb does not light up. So our elastic band, our rubber band, is a good insulator for this circuit. We try our string. And you can see that our bulb does not light up. So our string is a good insulator for this circuit. Next I'm going to try some aluminium foil. This time you can see that our bulb does light up. So our aluminium foil is a good conductor. And the last test material is a piece of thick card. So I connect that to our circuit, and you can see that our bulb doesn't light up. So our thick card is a good insulator in this circuit. Okay, we've managed to use a bulb in our test circuit, and that gives us a visual indication for our test materials. What we can do is we can change our bulb for a buzzer. So I'm going to disconnect our bulb, put it in our tray, and this time you can see that our buzzer, here's our circuit symbol here, our buzzer holder has a black negative terminal and a red positive terminal. That means that our buzzer will only work if it's wired in correctly. So we're going to connect the lead from our red positive terminal of our cell holder here to the red positive terminal of our buzzer holder. Then we're going to connect the other lead, the black lead here, into the black negative terminal of our buzzer holder. We can test our circuit by touching our croc clips together, so that we know that our components work. Now we can run through our different test materials. So we start with our straw, and you can hear that our straw, plastic straw, is a good insulator. Next we try our wooden toothpick, and you can hear that that's a good insulator too. Next we'll try our 2p piece, our coin, and you can hear that our coin is a good conductor. Next we'll try our rubber band. You can hear that our rubber band is a good insulator. Next we'll try our paper clips. So I'll try one first. So you can hear that this paper clip is a good conductor. Now this paper clip doesn't allow the buzzer to work. Can you tell me why that is? We've got a metal screw. You can hear that that completes our circuit, so we know that our metal screw is a good conductor. Next we'll try our string. So you can hear that our string is a good insulator. Next we'll try our aluminium foil. So you can hear that our aluminium foil is a good conductor. And next we'll try our thick card. We put that in our circuit. Our buzzer isn't working, so we don't have a complete circuit. That means that our thick card is a good insulator for this circuit. So we've used a buzzer and we've used a bulb. We can use them both in our circuit, in our test circuit here. And we can do that by wiring them in parallel. So if I use a red lead here and I connect it to the red plug here in our positive terminal of our buzzer, and then I connect it to a terminal in our bulb holder, and then if I connect a black lead here to the black plug in the negative terminal of our buzzer holder, and I connect it to the remaining terminal in our bulb holder, we've now connected our buzzer and bulb in parallel in our circuit. So if I test to see if it works by touching our crop clips together, you can hear and you can see that our buzzer works and our bulb lights. So let's go through our materials and see if you can guess which ones are good conductors and which ones are good insulators that will allow our buzzer and bulb to either light up or not. So let's start with our plastic straw. We can hear and we can see that our plastic straw must be a good insulator. Our wooden toothpick, connect that in our circuit, and again our wooden toothpick is a good insulator. Let's try our 2p coin. So we connect that, and you can hear and you can see now that our 2p coin is a good conductor. Let's try our rubber band. So our rubber band is a good insulator. let's try our paper clips. We'll try this one first. So this paper clip is a good conductor. This paper clip is different. Can you tell me why? Can you explain why this paper clip doesn't allow the buzzer to sound or the bulb to light? Then we've got our piece of string here. You can see and hear that our piece of string is a good insulator. Next, we've got a metal screw. And our metal screw is a good conductor. Then we have our aluminium foil, our kitchen foil, and you can see and you can hear that our aluminium foil is a good conductor. And finally, we have our piece of thick card. So I'm going to connect that to our circuit. And you can see and you can hear that our thick card is a good insulator. So by using our test circuit, we've been able to determine if our materials are good conductors or good insulators.